Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. I got my green card now. Hi guys, I got my green card. Actually, it arrived yesterday at my workplace. I already opened it up. And I got this already. Ha ha ha. Imagine 5 years and more from taking the ink test, passing the board exam, taking the English test, then doing the medical, and somewhere along the way, I lost my mother during the COVID time, and then my father had a stroke. A lot of things happened, but I got it. My American dreams already fulfilled. I am now a permanently lawful resident of the United States of America. Land of milk and honey. You guys have no idea how fortunate you are you were born. Good morning, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my vlog. My name is Nurse Ethel. 1 month pa lang ako dito sa Amerika. Pero I got this. Bago ako mag-isang buwan dito, nakahanap na ako. Sorry for my Tagalog kasi waray ako sometimes. Nahirapan yun. Pero okay lang. Binigyan ako ng bite ng kapatid ko. Pumunta siya dito from North Carolina. Magpuntang Corning, New York. 10 hours yun. Grateful talaga ako sa sister ko kasi tinulungan din niya ako, and especially sa mga boyfriend kong Amerikano. Kasi siya yung naghanap ng apartment while nandun ako nag-work. So nahanap namin ito yung Apple Creek with 2 bedrooms. Ito yung dining table na swerte ako dahil si Janice tinulungan niya ako. Kalahin mo, napulot lang niya to. Binigay sa akin. Parang matibay yan. Kung sa Pilipinas yan, mahal na mahal yan. Ito pala, simple quick tour dito sa aking apartment. Kunting apartment. So, may 2 akong bedroom. Pagpasensya na ninyo kasi wala pa akong pet dito.